Wait. Did you know na autumn leaves actually change color because they stop producing chlorophyll? Science daw yun. Pero for me, it's the world saying, girl, mag-travel ka na habang mura pa. Like legit, autumn is the best time for cozy adventures. Japan, Korea, even Taiwan. Ang ganda ng colors, hindi crowded at hindi pa masakit sa wallet. Kung alam mo tong hack na to. So eto na, when you book your hotels, use the promo code JoyceAgoda. And for your tours and activities, use promo code MommyJoyce. You'll get up to 10% off and trust me, every peso counts lalo na pag may milk tea budget ka pa after. Pro tip, choose stays near parks or temples, perfect for autumn shots. Go out early morning for that golden light. And layer up. Autumn fashion is half the experience. So ayun mga miha, bago mawala yung mga dahon at sale, open mo na agad yung Agoda app mo and search your dream autumn spot. And don't forget to use Joyce Agoda for hotels and Mommy Joyce for activities. Bye!